Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Today, Gabby and I are going to the city actually, and I want to love it the way that I used to before. Cleveland kind of spoiled me in so many different ways. I know people are probably thinking, oh my god, Chicago is way better than Cleveland, which like in a lot of ways, yes, but Cleveland means a lot to me and it has a very special place in my heart. So I just want to make Chicago like that again. So yeah, Gabby's coming to pick me up. She should be here like any minute now. And we're going to Kasama Coffee. Actually, I just think it's called Kasama. And at night, apparently, it's like a Michelin star restaurant, but we're not doing that. We're going to 3 Arts Club tonight. And we are going just for coffee and pastries because Gabby's been wanting to go, I guess, for a long time. And we're trying to hit a bunch of different coffee spots like over time in the city and find like our favorite one. So yeah, let's go. How are you feeling? Hot. And why is today such an issue, being in the sun?
Because I just donated blood.
Yes.
And then we stood outside in 80+ degree weather for like an hour.
Yeah, that was fun. But we ordered, we're good. We have water and Gabby matches it, so. Cheers to that. Gabby, it's good.
Do you want me to hit it or you already hit it?
I hit it.
Yeah, it's a flip screen. Oh, that's so freaking smart. It was worth the wait.
I was gonna say, I was thinking the same thing, but there's one thing that I know. Oh wait, I forgot my smiley face. What did you put?
Everything will be okay.
Oh, I love that. You're right. The sky won't fall.
So like if I go here, you go there. Whoa! Go back, I think in the back corner maybe. Like I'll look enormous. See? Oh! Okay, switch.
Says, do not touch the red button.
So naturally.
Oh my god. Gabby, where are we going?
We're going to the color factory.
We just were at the Wonder Museum, which is what you just saw.
Oh, this keeps
And
falling.
let me tighten it. And it's in the Sears Tower.
It is indeed in the Sears Tower, and I'm finding out where exactly we need to go. Located inside catalog at Sears Tower, enter, take the escalator down to lower level 2. Find our ticketing kiosks to the left of the skydeck entrance.
I was telling Gabby I've never been to the Sears Tower before.
First time for everything.
And I'm 24 and I'm turning 25 in a month, so...
Why don't you tell them where you want to go for your birthday?
I want to go to Rainforest Cafe. I know what you're thinking.
I think we should just leave it there.
And I said what I said. And the volcano? Are you kidding me?
Alright, let's go inside.
It's been my favorite restaurant my entire life.
Alright,
Just saying.
we're going inside now.
Okay, let's go. I taste lemon lime, so I see like green. Or it tastes green.
You think so?
But I'm looking at it, it's not
It
green.
tastes like coconutty.
What? 2?
Maybe not. No, you're right. Yeah, green.
Okay, so what do we do with this?
Well, you can check with the pencil which one you think it is.
Oh.
And then we can find out again.
Okay. You're gonna be really offended. I know that didn't go well. This is what she gave me. And this is what I gave her.
You think I was gonna give you this?
Oh my... Oh my god!
How do I get up?
I don't... Need a hand?
Yes, but I can't.
Gabby!
Oh my goodness.
I made it. Gabby, you match it. You could blend in. Woo! Do ball angels. Do it. You can make a snow angel. You can try. Woo! They gave us ice cream after the ball pit.
That's really important for being so
Wait, that's a Chicago?
What is?
Saganaki.
Was given a dramatic Chicago makeover.
I didn't know that that was like a thing that was just like here.
Fried chicken.
Apparently. But we all know the most important things here. The deep dish, and of course, this. I just eat it on a veggie dog now. But we have Portillo's to thank for that. Of course it is. Oh my god, wait. Wait. I didn't look down. I shouldn't have looked down. You go.
What am I doing?
Okay, go ahead and look down. How do you feel? Oh my god.
I feel like I'm up really, really high.
Oh my god. Wait. I don't like that at all. Gabby, hurry. Ooh. Okay, I've had enough. Let's go.